Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn 7th Standard Science Unit 1 Measurements. In our day to day life, we measure many things such as weight of fruits, vegetables, volume of liquids, temperature of body, speed of vehicles, etc. Quantities such as mass, weight, distance, temperature, volume are called as physical quantities. A value and a unit are used to express the magnitude of physical quantity. For example, Suresh walks 2 km every day. Here, 2 refers the value and kilometer expresses the magnitude of distance. Classification of physical quantities. Physical quantities are classified into two types: fundamental quantities, derived quantities. First, let us know what is fundamental quantities. A set of physical quantities which cannot be expressed in any other quantities. The seven fundamental quantities and its SI units are tabulated: length meter, mass kilogram, time second, temperature Kelvin, electric current ampere, amount of substance mole, luminous intensity candela. Next, derived quantities. All other physical quantities can be obtained by multiplying, dividing, or by mathematically combining the fundamental quantities. These are known as derived quantities. Next, we shall know what is area. Area is a measure of how much space there is on a flat surface. The area of a plot can be derived by multiplying its length and breadth. Therefore, area is equal to length into breadth. This can be written in meter into meter, that is meter square or square meter. Sum of the derived quantities. Area is equal to length into breadth. This can be written in meter into meter, meter square. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height, that is equal to meter into meter into meter, meter cube or cubic meter. Speed is equal to distance by time, that can be written in meter by second, that is meter per second. Electric charge, electric current into time, that is ampere into second, that can be written as coulomb. Density is equal to mass by volume, that can be written in kilogram by meter cube. This can be written as kilogram per meter cube. Now we shall see a problem. What is the area of 10 squares each of side 1 meter? As given, area of a square is written as side into side. Therefore, the side is 1 meter. So, 1 meter into 1 meter gives 1 meter square or 1 square meter. Therefore, as asked from the question, we have to find the area of 10 squares. So, area of 10 square is equal to 1 square meter into 10. Therefore, the answer will be 10 square meter. Next, we shall deal about the area of regularly shaped figures. It can be calculated using relevant formula. Square area is equal to A into A square. Rectangle, length into breadth. Circle, pi r square, where r is the radius of the circle. Triangle, half into base into h. Next, we shall know how to calculate the area of an irregular shaped figure. In order to determine the area of irregularly shaped figures like leaves, map, flowers, feather, etc., we have to know about the graphical method. Follow these steps. Take a leaf and place it in a graph. Make a outline of the leaf. Now calculate the following. First step, count the whole squares enclosed within the leaf and note it as M. Second step, count the number of squares that are more than half of a square and note it as N. Third step, count the number of square which is half of the whole square and note it as P. The fourth step, count the number of square less than the half and note it as Q. From this, the area of an irregularly shaped leaf can be calculated as M plus 3 by 4 into N plus 1 by 2 into P plus 1 by 4 into Q. And the answer shall be written in square centimeter. Therefore, the area of an irregularly shaped figure can be calculated using the following formula. We shall meet in the next video.